Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to mark orders as fulfilled when they've been completed offline. Perfect for those who've accepted orders offline and would like to keep their inventory up to date, so they've created or manually created orders online for that. Anyway, here's how you can do it manually. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and go to Orders. Go to the order you want to mark as fulfilled and click on it. And since you're going to be marking this order as fulfilled, that means this has been completed. It has been paid and it has been fulfilled. So click on Collect Payment here and then click on Mark as Paid. Click on Mark as Paid to confirm. And once you mark this as paid, it'll also automatically be marked as fulfilled. And that's it. Hope this video was of help. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.